Just one piece of ginger can make your plants explode with growth, and no one is talking about it. Here's what you need to make this powerful ginger fertilizer at home. 1 small piece of ginger, fresh or dried. 500 milliliters of clean water. A blender. A strainer. How to make it. Step 1. Chop or grate the ginger into small bits. Step 2. Blend it with water for 30 seconds. Step 3. Strain it, and your natural liquid fertilizer is ready. Pour this ginger tonic directly at the base of your plants once a week, or spray lightly on leaves. It boosts growth and keeps pests away naturally. Ginger is packed with antioxidants, natural oils, and antifungal compounds. It stimulates root growth, improves soil microbes, and protects against disease, all in one. Try this once a week and watch your plants thrive like never before.